TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, January 2nd, 2018. And markets are higher, continuing the trend we saw in 2017. Dow Jones currently up 39 points, trading at 24,758. NASDAQ up 81 points, trading at 69.84, and S&P's currently up 15 points, trading at 26.89. So you have the Dow up about 0.2%, you have the S&P's up about 0.6%, and you have the NASDAQ up 1.2%. That is some action. Let's start things off. We'll jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Here's our S&P 500. So there's our market open 930, traded a little bit lower, and from there we've rebounded, trading currently 26.89. NASDAQ 100, there was no pause. 930, we go higher, 65.01 on the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30, little bit of a different story, pulling back from the highs we had pre-market. We were up almost at 24,860. We're now a solid 120 points below that level, 24,738. Looks like Dow 25,000 will not be today. We'll see if anytime soon. Crude oil kind of bouncing around in a little bit of a tight trading range from 60.20 to 60.50, currently trading 60.26. And gold trading at 13.14. Been quite a run for gold, the precious metal. The 8th day, we'll jump over here on the fundamental news. Bloomberg had a nice little article this morning. Spot bullion gains for 8th day to the highest since September. Best run since 2011. So we'll see if that trend can continue as 2018 kicks off. Other fundamental news out there, you have one venture capitalist talking about potentially that Amazon could be targeting Target for acquisition this current year. We'll jump over to those two stocks in a moment, take a look. Netflix as well, getting some analysts talking about miles ahead of their competition. Netflix shares faring well today. And then Apple getting a little bit of flack on their iPhone X. Expectations may be too high. Let's jump over to some of those equities and see how they're trading today. We'll start it off with Netflix. Quite a high riser, 4.4% above the $200 price point. Target, how about it? Up 3.2%. Amazon, the one who may be buying Target, all speculation, but it's fun to take a look at. 1.5%. And how about Apple? Apple 1.2%, NASDAQ. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up right now, and I'll talk to you next hour at TFNN.com.